I just got done reviewing my rivet tools. I noticed with the manual there was an addendum right here that talks about the batteries that came with it. Now these are the 1.7 amp hour 20 volt max power stack oil resistant batteries, and I have one charging. So you can see that the charger is much smaller than the traditional chargers of yesteryear, but also there's information. Well, I'm gonna leave that one alone. I'll show you on this. And it says in the addendum, the stage 1 charging blink indicator represents the charge process that charges the majority of the battery's capacity. And then it talks about stage 2. Stage 2 charging blink indicator represents the remainder or top off of the charging process for the battery to reach full capacity. Completion of the charge will be indicated by the light remaining on continuously. The battery pack is fully charged and may be removed and used at this time or left on the charger. Just a side note, they both do need charged. It only has 1 bar on the indicator, so okay. And it talks about, there's a note, and it's first, so I'm assuming that's important. To ensure maximum performance and life of lithium-ion battery packs, charge the battery pack fully before first use. Okay? So anyway, I just thought this is something different. I don't know if there are other videos talking about this subject, but yeah, this is definitely set up different than my other ones, which were basically, it didn't go through a stage 1 or a stage 2. It was just pack charging, pack charged, and then there's the hot and cold delay. Okay, so here's what it has to say about the hot and cold pack delay in case you ever wanted to know. The red light will continue to blink, but a yellow indicator light will be illuminated during this operation. Once the battery pack has reached an appropriate temperature, the yellow light will turn off and the charger will resume the charging procedure. A charger will not charge a faulty battery pack. The charger refusing to light could indicate a problem with the charger or a faulty battery pack. Note, if the charger refuses to light, take the charger and battery pack to be tested at an authorized service center. That also has the little hot and cold delay indicator. Now, I don't know, both of these oil resistant batteries came with like 1 bar on the fuel pack, so I don't actually know how long this is going to take to charge, but I do want to make sure I come out here. I've seen videos and horror stories about people's full garages burning down because they left the batteries. Now, I don't know like how long that took to transpire. Like, did they leave them on for weeks on end, days on end? I don't know, but I do know that I'm going to keep an eye on this and come out and unplug it once that does reach full. So I hope this video was helpful. It's just a quick one I wanted to throw together. I didn't want to include it with the rivet tools because I felt like it was just too much information, but it's important nonetheless because it is something different. Hope that helps. If it was, make sure you follow me.